Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase endpoint protection with Symantec, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Symantec endpoint protection installed on your system. Launch the Symantec endpoint protection application from your desktop or taskbar. Once the application is open, navigate to the Overview tab. Here, you will see the current status of your endpoint protection. To enhance your protection, click on the Change Settings link. In the Settings menu, locate the Antivirus and Anti-Spyware section. Make sure the option for Auto Protect is enabled. This feature provides real-time scanning of files to detect threats immediately. Next, go to the Firewall section within the settings. Ensure that the firewall is turned on to block unauthorized access to your network. Then, head to the Live Update option. Click Run Live Update to ensure you have the latest virus definitions and security updates. After updating, navigate to the Network Threat Protection section. Enable features like intrusion prevention and traffic monitoring for added security. Return to the main menu and access the Scheduled Scans feature. Set up regular scans for your system to continuously check for vulnerabilities. You may choose daily, weekly, or custom schedules based on your needs. Next, consider enabling the Browser Protection option. This helps to block phishing attempts and malicious websites. Finally, review the advanced options for more specialized settings. Adjust settings per your organization's specific security requirements. Once all settings are customized, make sure to save your changes. Your endpoint protection is now enhanced and ready to defend against threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.